Thursday morning starts off with some drizzle along the eastern escarpment of Limpopo. Overall, we're expecting a warmer day across the country, but with some wet weather forecast, particularly in the afternoon. And that's especially as this low pressure deepens along the west coast, bringing in thunder showers and showers, particularly over the Northern Cape and southern interior. We can also expect some rain over parts of the Western Cape, with thunder showers reaching the Eastern Cape coast by Thursday night. Our super MicroCast is a higher resolution model, which is more sensitive to that thunderstorm activity in comparison to our futurecast. So you'll see those thunderstorms forming over the interior part of the Western, Northern and Eastern Cape, particularly on Thursday afternoon and evening, with a few showers also occurring along the west coast. Now, the South African Weather Service have issued a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms over parts of the Eastern Cape within the shade of amber, with the potential for large hail and damaging winds. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see that slight chance of morning drizzle along the eastern escarpment of Limpopo, with scattered thunder showers and showers extending from the Northern Cape through to the interior parts of the Eastern and Western Cape, with isolated thunder showers forecast as we head towards the eastern interior. And we're also expecting isolated rainfall along parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, with a slight chance of rainfall over the far southwestern part of the country. On our maximum temperature map, you'll see a warmer day across South Africa, with maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-30s for Uppington and Vredendal, Cape Town at the high of 31. Warm for Richards Bay at 27, in the mid-20s for Gauteng, and Kimberley expecting a high of 30 degrees. Now, as we head out to the west coast, you'll see a light west-northwesterly wind for Alexander Bay and Namaqualand. Now, that's mainly in the morning as that low pressure moves through, and that will turn to the southeast later on in the day, with a light to moderate southeasterly wind for Lambert's Bay and Longabon, all with the possibility of rainfall and a 2-meter open ocean swell. We're expecting a strong southeasterly wind for False Bay and Cape Agulhas, with fresh winds for Hermanus and the Cape Town Atlantic side. Along the southwest coast, we can expect a 2.5-meter southwesterly swell, with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. Moderate beach conditions are forecast along the south coast, with the moderate easterly wind for Mossel Bay. More of a northeaster though as we head towards Port Elizabeth, and that picks up to 30 kilometers per hour, with a 2.5-meter southerly swell, with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet along the south coast. We'll see a fresh northeasterly wind all along the east coast, with a dry forecast for Durban and Richards Bay, so good beach conditions there. Moderate though as we head towards East London and the Wild Coast, and along the east coast we can expect a 2-meter swell, with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.
News that moves. eNCA.com.